Hi guys! Today I'm working on a project that was inspired by Natasha over at Treasure Books on YouTube. I think her work is just beautiful and this project is just so cute. I can't wait until it's done. So this is a little junk journal made from envelopes, and if you can see, they have texture. I've taken them and used some Sizzix dry embossing folders and just added some texture. Natasha did one that was just absolutely amazing. So if you haven't checked her out on YouTube, be sure to do so. But what I've done now is I've gotten all of my papers ready. My envelopes are all situated. And she has a full tutorial on how to do this that was just wonderful. So check that out. I'll try to link it down below if I remember. I've got all my papers in order here, and I'm about to do the sew-in binding. I've got my all poked through what is kind of an eyeballed center, I think, and I'm gonna stitch it in, but I thought I'd bring you guys along just so you can see how easy a pamphlet stitch is. It's not very intimidating, even if you're not the best sewer. So I've got some bakery twine here from the Target dollar spot. And I thought this color would just be so cute. You can use any string you'd like. I think Natasha was using like a wax coated floss or whatever, but you can use any kind of string that you have. So I have spared you from having to watch me thread this needle, but it does have a pretty big eye on it, so it was good to go. This is just a big yarn needle, and I've poked my hole through the center here, and then I'm going to put one over here. And it's pretty tough because I've got some cardstock in here. So just really be careful. You know where it's poking through. Don't poke your fingers. And I'm just kind of rocking it back and forth to get it in there pretty good. I want to make a pretty good hole so that that big needle that I have will fit right through there. Okay, and then we'll poke the third one. Again, really watching your fingers for where it's going to come out. Okay, and so this one, a good tip from Natasha was to just leave this in here until you're ready to poke back through. Kind of helps you keep everything in order, and I really liked that. That was a great tip. And then we're going to take our twine here. Poke it through the hole. Actually, I think I want to poke it through this way. I'm trying to remember which way she did it, but I don't think there's really a right or a wrong way. And then we'll go through here. Okay, so we're ready to remove this one. And now I'm gonna go up through here. Now, depending on which order you do this, you can make it tie inside or tie outside. I kind of want it to tie on the spine so I can put some cute little charms at the end. But you can definitely make it tie on the inside. So you want to pull it nice and snug. Make sure your pages are in there. Don't pull it so snug that you rip the holes and tear your pages. But this is your your binding, so you want it to be nice and tight. I've also ripped the thread before, so just be wary of that. So I just slipped the needle off so I have a little to work with here. I'm going to go ahead and stick it under this one. So we got a good closure. And I can go ahead and snip that off now that I can see where I'm at and how much extra I'm going to have. And I'm okay with a little excess, like I said, because I want to hang some cute little charms. Okay, so now just double knot this. And there we go, we have our cute little closure. Like I said, depending on the order that you do this with, your tie for your signature can be on the inside. I wanted it to look nice and clean on the inside and give me a space to provide some charms. So this is kind of double purpose, and I'll probably trim this just a little bit shorter so that it kind of doesn't take on a life of its own. But yeah, there you have it. This is just a really easy way to put together your signatures for junk journals and do your little binding that's kind of sewing, but really not really. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps me out, and I'll see you guys in the next video.